Hey guys, this is the Ninja Professional Plus blender. I'm going to unbox this and show you exactly how it works. I'm going to fill that with fruit. You're going to see this thing blend. Alright guys, let's pop this thing open. Cut the tape. Open this up. We got an instruction manual. Got some cardboard protector. And here we go. This is the actual blender. Some extra cards. Here's the base. And there we go. Let's open the base first right here. Tear it open. First impressions, it's black, nice and clean setup. Like that. Open up the actual blender right here. Right here it is. So you can see the blade here. 6 blades. Looks nice and strong, nice and powerful. Gonna need that for cutting ice. Just sit it right in here. We have our lid. So, nice strong lid. Press this. It was ace. The arrow right here. Align it right on there. And then put it down. So it's nice and tight. So your lid doesn't go popping off. So how to actually set this on. You got these 2 locks on the side. Put on a 45-degree angle. Turn it. And there you go. Locked in place. So let's plug this in. Put some stuff in here and let's see how it operates. Alright, so another cool feature this has is it has these little suction cups down here. So it does shake around and move as you're blending it. So just release, pull it up, take it down, take this, and just turn it, take it out. Frozen free, frozen varies. Bunch of protein powder. And now let's fill this up. So we might have went a little crazy on this one. Okay, so lock this in. See what this thing's got. On at the air is. Alright, we have our on and off. Smoothie and ice crush. Low, medium, high, and pulse. Let's turn it on. And smooth. Right, so that right here took about a minute to blend. Let's open it up. And let's pour this in. So I'm hoping I provided some clarity on how to operate this and if this blender is for you. Looks great, tastes great. Hopefully you guys found this helpful.